Okay, how we doing out there? First things first, my name is Kenneth Bird. My company is Crystal Edge Technology Screen. Today I'm showing up our new gamer package kits. This is going to come with a 150-inch screen for you to paint on, customize any way you want. It's going to come with the LED lights to be able to bulk up your kit to get the extra lights going. And it's going to come with a 48-ounce of our amazing gamer screen paint. Now this right here is our Final Fantasy. I'm gonna say Final Fantasy. Final Phantom. I'm a little tired today. Just got finished painting the room upstairs, so a little tired. But this is my final. This is the Final Phantom 21. This is our absolute gamer superior, and it has amazing, as you can see, contrast levels, colors, the whole 9 yards. We're gonna do a little fighting on here, show you some fighting games on here, and we're gonna be doing these demonstrations from time to time to show you exactly how amazing the technology is on so many levels. You don't have to be trapped in the dark environment. You don't have to worry about calibrating your projector. You don't have to depend on expensive high-end projectors to get a somewhat beautiful image. Like I said again, using the Christie LW401 projector, only 720p, fully lit, only 720p, fully lit environment, and you don't have to worry about your screen washing or fading at the end of the day. You can pick up a beautiful image with no problem whatsoever. Now my screen is customized. I'm actually using the black alcohol surface that will come free with your kit with the LED lights. My screen is 129 inches, 1610, and as you can see, it looks absolutely amazing in all this ambient light. So, let's get this started.
I am the beginning and the end. Nova.
Better watch my back with this one.
Who will prevail? Do you understand the fate of fools who betray the truth?
I don't think we'll lose if we stick together.
Who will come out on top? Ready? Fight! Yes! Oh. Cool! Alright? You're helpless! No need to attack it that way. Time stone! Good! Enter the banquet of the abyss! Time stone! You shall live on as part of me. one team will be left standing. My salvation is the answer to all your prayers.
I've got an arrow with your name.
Who will come out on top? Ready. Fight! Good. Worship me. Worship me. Time stone. Good. You're open. Yeah. Good. Counter. Good. Overswing.
Time stone! Right on the ball! Dimly!
Here comes.
Time stone!
Down here comes.
For freedom! Dark and right!
Put dead.
Switch! Just what you do! Here we We'll fight this battle to the end!
You go, Sparta.
For freedom! Dark and right!
No need for technical play. Wonderful. Time stone. Time stone.
Friction!
No one.
Push it up!
You shall live on as part of me. The battle begins.
기만이지 말더니
前からの依頼を果たそう。
大したことないんだね。あんたも未来の私も。
妙な関係だよな、俺たちに。
あんたの知ってる未来の私とは違う。ちょっとくらいは協力してやるさ。
作戦はまとまったな。
この間の借りを返させてもらおう。調子に乗るな。点数を落ちようとすれば。
よし 笑えないよ。またな。
自然は大切にしろよ。
あんたの知ってる未来の私とは違う。ちょっとくらいは協力してやるさ。
All right, hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Some of our amazing technology. This is the new gamer paint from Phantom. As you can see, we can use this in a fully lit environment. We don't have to worry about our screen washing or fading. As you can see, it looks absolutely incredible. And we're using this just on a basic 720p projector. That's it, showing our customers at the end of the day that they don't have to spend a lot of money for a projector, no calibrating, no dark environments. An amazing image all the way around. Looks absolutely incredible. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. It is available on our website with free shipping. Keep in mind, we're working on trying to get this shipped overseas. All right, now we're seeing exactly well, basically we had to find out, first of all, where we can ship it to, because like I said, because of the variants, we haven't been able to ship things from here to there overseas, but we're working on trying to get things back in order to be shipped overseas again. This package is going to come with a 150-inch blackout cloth that allows you to paint it and turn it into this magnificent screen right here. Also comes with a bulk of LED lights. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Thank you for your time. Gotta go, and God bless.